In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create map charts in Power BI. We'll explore the ins and outs of basic maps, filled or choropleth maps, and shape maps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good grasp of the steps, settings, and potential challenges you might encounter, ensuring you can make the most of this powerful visualization tool. Let's start with preparing your data. This is a crucial step because your map's accuracy and effectiveness heavily rely on it. First, ensure you have a field dedicated to geographic locations, such as country, state, or city names, or you could opt for latitude and longitude coordinates instead. If you're using names, consistency and correct spelling are key, as the Power BI or Bing geocoder can misinterpret ambiguous names. If your goal is to use region boundaries, ensure your data's region identifiers align perfectly with your shape files or region names for maximum accuracy. Now, moving on to loading your data into Power BI. Import your data, whether it's in Excel, CSV, or another database format. Then, double-check that your geographic fields are typed correctly, as text for names, or as numeric for latitude and longitude values. This ensures that Power BI interprets and represents geographic data correctly on your map. With your data in place, it's time to select the map visual. In the Report view, access the Visualizations pane. Here, you have choices. You can select either the basic map visual, which is a bubble map, or opt for the filled map. Each has its own strengths depending on how you wish to visualize your data. Next, you'll need to assign fields, which is where you bring your map to life. Drag your chosen geographic field into the location field well. If you have latitude and longitude data, use them specifically by placing latitude in the latitude well and longitude in the longitude well. Then, place your numerical value, such as sales figures or counts, into the size well for a point map or into the color saturation well for a filled map. You can choose both, depending on your desired trend presentation. For enhanced interactivity, consider adding tooltips, legends, and other elements that might help clarify your map's message. Now, let's get into formatting the map to better suit your needs. Within the Format pane, you have the liberty to tweak the map style, choosing between road, grayscale, and more. You can also refine zoom controls and map labels. For filled maps or choropleths, make adjustments to the color scale or set specific thresholds. Meanwhile, for bubble maps, you'll want to adjust bubble size scaling to ensure that large values don't overshadow the smaller ones. Finally, ensure you enable any necessary features or settings. If you're using the shape map, you must first enable it by navigating to File, then Options and Settings, Options, and into Preview Features where you'll check Shape Map. Remember, a restart of Power BI is needed for these changes to take effect. Additionally, be aware that some map visuals, such as filled and Azure Maps, may require tenant or admin permissions to be enabled within Power BI service. And there you have it. Following these steps will set you up for success when creating map charts in Power BI.